Good morning, everybody. So today I have a new project. My cousin, who's a baker, wants me to make him a mobile baking cart so he can sell his deliciousness here around the Lakeside community. So we're gonna do a little upcycling. I'm gonna start out with this coffee table here that someone was giving away for free, as well as this coffee table that someone else was giving away for free, and we're gonna make 3 levels to our cart. So the first thing I had to do was take the top of this table and cut it down to the same dimensions as this, and now I'm gonna put it all together with some 1x. Here's the idea. We're gonna take this 1x material like this, and we're gonna wrap the sides like so, and then we'll put the other piece in front like that, so that we get 3 equal level shelves. All right, now that I have my 3 levels together, my legs wrapped, I'm going to place it on the bottom. I'm gonna use actually a nail here. I'm just gonna trace out the sides so that I know where to cut out my little notches so that I can place my bottom. All right, so I got that bottom notched out and attached, and put some little blocks on the bottom for my casters at the end. And I attached some longer 2x4s to the front, come a little bit shorter for the back here, and I'm just gonna place these in here and screw them on, and then we'll do some roofing. So now I'm adding a shelf in the back here, and I'm just bracing it with some 2x material just to give some extra support. Next step was cutting out our roof, and you see how I did a nice kind of mid-century slanted roof. I overcut the front. I have 2x6 so that we have some room to write the name of our cake or baking stand on there. Have a nice little name so everybody knows where to go to. I also only used 1/2-inch ply on the top there since we're gonna be using some roofing tiles at the end, so no need to overkill that. All right, so this is where we are after day 1. We have added a 3rd level for lots of shelving. We added another shelf on top as well, and we added our roofing structure so that we have some protection from the weather. Stay tuned for part 2.